The air felt heavy that summer afternoon, the kind of stillness before a storm that makes every sound sharper. I remember standing on the porch, watching the horizon darken as clouds began to churn over the Atlantic. The wind went quiet, like the world itself was holding its breath. My chest tightened with awe and dread. The news warned of a hurricane forming, and I couldn't help but ask, why do hurricanes form? I felt both fear and fascination, staring at radar maps that looked like violent spirals painted across the ocean. Growing up in Florida, hurricanes were part of life, but the question always burned inside me. Were they random, or was there a deeper rhythm? I searched through magazines, weather blogs, even documentaries, trying to understand. I remember late nights scrolling through articles, the glow of my laptop filling the room as thunder rumbled outside. Then the pieces came together. Hurricanes form when warm ocean water feeds rising air, like a giant engine powered by heat and moisture. Imagine leaving a pot of water on the stove. Steam rises, swirls, and creates turbulence. Now picture that pot multiplied across miles of ocean, with the atmosphere spinning above it because of Earth's rotation. That's how a simple storm grows into a violent spiral. It's like a bonfire that feeds itself. The hotter it gets, the more air it pulls in. Or like a figure skater, pulling arms in to spin faster. Or even like opening a shaken soda can. The pressure explodes outward, unstoppable. Hurricanes are nature's way of releasing heat from the tropics. What begins as invisible warmth transforms into walls of wind and rain capable of reshaping coastlines. I realize these storms aren't random. They're part of Earth's balancing act, redistributing heat. What once felt like senseless destruction now looked like a natural, if dangerous, necessity. My fear shifted into respect. The power that destroys is also the power that keeps Earth in balance. I thought of neighbors who rebuilt after storms, stronger than before, carrying stories of loss and resilience. Nature and people echoed the same truth, and it made me reflect, aren't our lives like that? Sometimes chaos swirls around us, yet within it lies hidden order, a chance for renewal. Hurricanes taught me that even in destruction, there is meaning, a strange beauty in balance. If this discovery surprised you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Check the description and pinned comment for links to similar curious science questions.